are those who fear the Lord. Blessed are those who fear the Lord. Blessed are you who fear the Lord, who walks in His ways, for you shall eat the fruit of your hard work. Blessed shall you be in favor. Blessed are those who fear the Lord. Your wife shall be a fruitful vine in the recesses of your home. Your children like olive plants around your table. Blessed are those who fear the Lord. Behold, thus is the man, blessed who fears the Lord. The Lord bless you from Zion. May you see the prosperity of Jerusalem all the days of your life. Blessed are those who fear the Lord. Blessed